Hey everybody, I just want to say a big thank you for my subscribers. I now have over 1,000 subscribers. I know that's so measly and piddly in the grand scheme of things, but you 1,000 people are important to me, and making videos for you is important to me, and reaching that landmark is important to me, and hopefully important to you guys. With that, I became a YouTube partner, which means that I can get $5 a month for doing videos, or whatever it is. It's based on views and subscribership and that kind of stuff. So things like that motivate me to make more videos. And so for this video, my thank you for hitting 1,000 video, it's going to be a rant. And I know how much some of you guys love my rants, right? So this is my rant for the day. Words to stop fucking using if you don't know what they mean, okay? One of them is limp mode. Limp mode drives me fucking insane when someone says, my car's in limp mode. No, your car is not in fucking limp mode. A check engine light is not fucking limp mode. All right, limp mode is when the performance of the vehicle is reduced to a point where the thing barely fucking runs. Just like as if you were limping. If you were limping, you would not do a very good job of even walking, which is traveling slow. So you're not limp mode. If you want to see real limp mode, take the throttle, stop off the bottom of your, below your pedal, which is a black plug. Take that plug out and push the throttle down all the way. Then you'll see limp mode. Your RPM will be limited to 2,000 RPM. Your throttle input will be limited to like 5%, and you will barely be able to get out of the freaking driveway. That's limp mode. Next term is pre-detonation. Pre-detonation does not fucking exist. All right, pre-detonation is normal combustion. Detonation occurs at 20 degrees after top dead center, or around there. Normal combustion starts at 10 to 30 degrees based on what kind of car you drive, in some cases even as low as 1, but degrees before top dead center. So normal combustion has been happening for at least 30 freaking degrees before detonation occurs. So pre-detonation is normal combustion. So please stop saying pre-detonation. It does not exist. There's pre-ignition, which is the burn of, or the combustion of your air-fuel mixture prior to ignition event. That's pre-ignition. And then there's detonation, which is the spontaneous combustion of the remaining air-fuel mixture in the cylinder somewhere around peak cylinder pressure, which is around 20 degrees up top dead center. Please stop mixing those two up. Please. And then again, thank you to my subscribers. Love you guys.